Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, welcome to my kitchen for the first time. Today's video is going to be something really sweet. I have never tried baking in my life. Okay, I'd be lying if I said I've never tried. I did try baking in India when I was stuck during the lockdown and it was an absolute disaster. So today we are going to try to bake a cake. We're going to try baking a red velvet cake. I've got all the necessities that's required. I've got some knives over here in case we need it, scissors, whisk and a mixing bowl. I've got the cake tray, I've got the cupcake tray, some nozzles, I've got some sugar strands, I've got some few eggs, and I've got buttercream flavor frosting, and the red velvet cake mix. I know it's a little bit of a cheat trying to use the cake mix that's already been made. There's a story behind this. I was trying to make a banana bread, a chocolate chip banana bread. So I couldn't find the chocolate chips in the store. So we're gonna try making the red velvet cake mix today, so let's see how that goes. This is my first time, so if it turns out to be a disaster, please do not judge. Today's video is also going to be quite interesting because my COVID antibody testing results have come back. They came back sometime earlier this week and they are in my junk email. I haven't opened the email, so you would be seeing my first-hand reaction today. The recipe is there at the back of this box. I've never made a cooking video, so this is going to be my first time. So I have apron, got the apron, mixing bowl, and fire up your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So let's fire up the oven first. Mix the eggs. Alright, so we've got 3 eggs in there. I'm so nervous with this video because I've never done something like this. Let me get a hand down. 7 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so I've got these measuring utensils that I bought off Amazon. That's a total of 7 tablespoons of oil. That's a lot of oil. Baking at least makes you realize the amount of shit that goes into these things like the sugar and all of that. 200 ml of water. Gently whisk by hand or electric mixer. Okay, never done this in my life. I hope I'm mixing it the right way. For 2 to 3 minutes. Set a timer for 3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes and counting.
Look at that. Oh, it smells really good. This is actually quite hard, huh? A good arm workout. If you guys get bored of this kind of vlog, then do let me know. I'll probably not film any more cooking videos, but if you enjoy it, then I'll probably film more. I hope I'm doing it the right way, guys. If there are any bakers watching this, please don't judge and please let me know what's the right technique. Just don't want to make a mess. You guys have seen my previous vlogs where I am so clumsy that I'm very capable of completely dropping this on the floor. As I told you guys that my antibody testing results have come back. So they came back on a Tuesday. I did my testing last Friday. So they literally came out in 3 days because it was actually Monday early morning 2 AM that I received the mail. Timer done. Got the oil spray. Here we go. Bake in the center of the oven for 23 to 28 minutes, or I'll make it for 25 minutes. So I'm going to bring you guys with me and put it in. Set a timer for 25 minutes.
Okay, 25 minutes and counting.
I've never actually done icing, so this is going to be a steep learning curve today. So I figured I had to cut a little more of the piping back. We're going to put in the buttercream flavor frosting, and I'm also going to read my antibody testing results in a bit. I'm sorry, I've been like building up the hype. You know what, honestly I feel like it's going to be negative. There you go. Let's get on to the antibody testing results. So a lot of you guys, when I posted the picture saying that I got my antibody testing done, they are like, oh, you got your caption wrong. You should have written negative. You don't want to be positive for COVID. It was COVID antibody testing. That means at some point you've been exposed to the virus and your body has developed some sort of immunity against it. It's good to have your antibodies tested positive. Having said that, there is no legit proof or research that for how long those antibodies last in your system. Some of the scientists are saying 3 months, some are saying 6 months, and obviously with certain conditions your antibodies do decrease over time. So you could have been exposed to COVID and developed antibodies, and your antibodies could have diminished over time. I don't think that was going to happen in my case because the pandemic flared up sometime in March. It's only been 3 or 4 months, so either I have been exposed or I haven't been exposed. I will be really happy if my antibodies come out to be positive. That means I was exposed and my body has developed some sort of immunity against it. Do not know for how long that's going to last. Let's see. God, I feel so nervous. It feels like I'm like checking my exam results or something. Here we go. Okay, found the email. Here we go. Dear colleague, thank you for signing up for the COVID antibody testing. Your result is negative. A negative result means that you may not have had the virus that causes COVID in the recent past or have not developed antibodies that may protect you from future infection. You could still get COVID-19 in the future. You should continue to protect yourself and others by maintaining social distancing, practicing good hand hygiene, respiratory hygiene, and wearing PPE. Are you serious? I mean, I traveled in the month of March when there was no precautions being taken from London to Dubai and Dubai to Hyderabad. I traveled from Hyderabad to Mumbai, Mumbai to Pune. I traveled again from Mumbai to London. Are you serious? And I've been going to the hospital. Okay, on the brighter side, that means whatever protection I've been taking is working, because that means the virus hasn't yet entered my system, which is a good thing because you never know how your body's going to react. I mean, I can't be positive that yeah, I'm going to recover. You can't say these things just because you're young and you do not have other comorbidities. Your body is going to recover. I mean, in a way it's good because that means all the protection I've been taking is working so far. Anyway, so that's the update. You guys know now. Alright, let's get back to the baking bit. Whoa! Okay, so the timer's gone off. So let's get the cake out of the oven. Oh, I'm so nervous. No, it's not. It smells good though. It's not done, guys. Set a timer for 10 more minutes.
A few inches later.
Ah, it's time! I'm so excited. So we're gonna let the cake rest.
12 seconds later.
I've popped the cake out of the tin. It's so good. Okay, I'm so excited. So next up, what we're gonna do is slice the cake. I've opened the freezer. Slap on some buttercream. Buttercream layer. Let's put on the cake. I think the cake is too hot. It reminds me of the Harry Potter cake. The one that Hagrid got Harry on his birthday in the first part. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Let's put on some sprinkles. This literally looks like the cake that Harry got. I think it had a pink icing and this one has a buttercream icing, but it literally looks the same.
Baked it myself, words and all.
Thank you.
But I mean, hey, it's my first attempt. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Okay, I'm gonna have a bite. This is so freaking good. Okay, so we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you want to see more of cooking videos, then do let me know. I know this wasn't a cake that I made from scratch. So I promise the next time I bake, I will be doing that. I just couldn't find the ingredient for making a banana bread. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then do give it a big thumbs up and do comment below which was your favorite bit of the video. And if you're an amateur baker like me and you have any recipes to share, then please do drop it down in the comment section below. I've got some cake stuck in my teeth. Okay, I'm going to end this video now. I hope you have a lovely week ahead. I'm going to wrap up this video here. Look after yourself and your loved ones. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah. Okay, it's too far. Let me come that side. Bye. Mwah.